Let's see how to build an AI assistant for a travel agency. So first of all, you have to gather all the information about that particular travel agency. So here we have some information about a company named as Horizon Travel Agency, the knowledge base. So here we have some information about the company, the services they provide, the destinations, the pricing, booking process, travel tips, frequently asked questions, contact information, terms and condition, and we have included customer reviews as well. So what happens is that this particular PDF document actually will act as a chatbot knowledge base. So whenever a particular customer asks any sort of questions or in their chatbot, so it can be on the Instagram page or Facebook page or even on a chat widget on a website, it simply respond to the customer based on whatever the information we have in this particular PDF. So let me show the PDF over here. So here we have a few pages of information over here in this PDF. So let's see how to use this particular PDF as a chatbot knowledge base to provide any sort of answers to the customer's questions. So let's get started over here. So here I am in a demo account over here. So you have to first of all connect your OpenAI ChatGPT over here. So go to settings over here. So in settings, you have to go to integrations. So in integrations, you have the option to connect your OpenAI ChatGPT API keys. So if you're wondering how to get your API keys, just click on this learn more button over here. It will simply take you to the help center guide about OpenAI ChatGPT, and it has the instructions on how to grab your API keys as well. So if you click on this link, it will actually take you directly to the page where you can actually create your own API keys over here and simply connect it on our platform. So once it is done, you can actually build chatbots powered by OpenAI ChatGPT. And here, since we have a document with the PDF including all this information, what you can do here is that you can actually go with the assistant option over here, because assistant allow AI to respond based on your business data. You can even provide more data by uploading the files as well. So that's the point right here. So let me click on manage and create a new assistant over here. So here in assistant, let me actually create a new assistant, and let me name this particular assistant as this particular company name. So let me copy this one over here and go back and create a new assistant, paste it, continue. So here it says instructions, you are a helpful assistant. So what you can do is you can say you are a helpful assistant to this particular travel agency. Respond to customers a question in just 1 to 2 sentences. So there you can simply add a prompt like this, and here you have the option to choose the model. So you can actually go with GPT-4o mini, or you can even choose a GPT-4o model as well. So let me quickly upload this particular PDF file right here in our chatbot. Okay, I'm just uploading the particular file, and this particular file is now uploaded, the PDF file, as you see. And here you can set the temperature as well. So let's just choose 0.1 or 0.2. all right, and here let me click on save. So here we have created an AI assistant for this particular travel agency. So now we can actually use this assistant whenever a particular customer send any sort of questions and answer based on the information we have in this particular assistant. So let me actually create a flow and show you. So go to the flows section over here, and let me create a new flow. So let me name this particular flow as this particular company name again. So let's say AI bot, and click continue. All right, so here we have to start with an action. So choose actions over here and change the starting step. So here in the actions, you have to use the OpenAI action over here. So go to OpenAI and choose this one, and here you have to choose the assistant over here, generate text assistant, because we have already created the assistant, and you have to choose whatever the assistant. So the assistant is the travel agency. Choose this one, and you have to respond to the user last input, and where you want to save the response. So whenever a particular customer asks any sort of questions, we want to generate a response from the AI, and we want to save that response. So you can actually create a new field by clicking on add new, or otherwise you can actually choose existing ones as well. So here we can choose AI output which already exists on this account and choose continue. So we can simply save the response in the AI output field. So now we have left with one more step. We want to simply send that AI output to the customer. Simple as that. So here, AI output. All right. Suppose if the request failed, you can also do that. So you can say, customer, something went wrong. One of our agent will reach out to you soon. So here, if the API request failed or if the OpenAI is down, you can actually send this message, and here you have the option to assign this conversation to an agent as well. So here inbox, assign conversation, and you can assign one of the agent over here, and this works only if the OpenAI fails to generate a response. So the agent will get notified and they can jump in the inbox and talk with the customer as well. So that's it. And here make this let me actually publish this one over here, and it's published. So now you have to make sure to set this particular flow as the default reply. So here the flow name is travel agency AI bot. So let me go to the settings, choose this particular flow as the default reply and save it, and make sure in OpenAI ChatGPT this is switched off as well, so that whenever a particular customer asks any sort of questions, the chatbot, this particular default reply or the flow we just created will be triggered, and the responses will be sent to the customer based on that. And if you are wondering what channels this can work, this can actually works on all the connected channels. For example, in this account we have connected Messenger, WhatsApp, Instagram, SMS, Telegram, Viber, Voice, even web chat as well. So this can actually works on all the channels. And if you want to customize the responses based on the channel, you can actually have a condition over here. So here in the conditions, you have the option to customize responses based on the channels as well. So here you can choose whatever the channels and send responses as well. So here I'm not going to do this one right here. So this can simply works on all the connected channels right here. So let me make sure to publish this once again. All right, and we can quickly test how this actually works as well. So let me test this on the Instagram over here. So here I'm in the Instagram test chatting media, because this is the Instagram account connected on this account, as you see. Simple as that. So let's ask a question over here. So let me open the PDF as well, and let me open the Instagram as well. So let's ask about the question. So here this is founded in 2010. So let me send this message, and these are the founders over here. So let me send this ask a question. Who is the founder? So I'm just sending a voice note, as you can see. Let's see what happens over here. So here we receive the response. The founders of this particular travel agency are Sarah Thompson and Michael over here. So likewise, it simply works for any sort of questions you ask right here. So let's ask about the pricing. Can you tell me more about your vacation packages? So let me send this question and see how this actually responds. So here they have 3 different type of vacation packages, and as you see, vacation packages include all the sort of resort stays packages, multi-destination tours, and budget friendly starts at $799 per person to luxury packages over $5,000 per person. Simple as that. So likewise, you can actually include all information where you get from the customers, like frequently asked questions from your customers. You can include this in a PDF and simply have an AI chatbot working for there to respond to the customers over here. So let me ask one more question over here. Opening hours over here. What is your opening hours on Saturdays? So let's ask this question. 10 to 4 p.m. it should be, and let's see what sort of response we are getting right here. And it says these are the response hours over here. And as I mentioned, this can simply works on other channels as well. So we tested this on the Instagram, but let's see how this actually works on the WhatsApp. So let me send a message on WhatsApp as hi and see what happens over here. So we should receive a response over here, and it says, hello, how can I assist you today with your travel plans? So let's ask some other question right here. Question: do you offer car rentals? And as you can see, they offer car rentals 30 per day for the economy, and if it's luxury, it is 75 per day. And we receive the response: yes, this offers car rental services through partnership with major car rental companies for convenient transportation. So let me ask this question: how much does it cost? So let me ask this question and see what happens over here. So it says car rental cost start from 30 per day to economy and 75 for the luxury. So likewise, this can actually works on other channels based on whatever the information you have provided in the PDF over there. So that's a quick video on how you can actually build an AI chatbot for a travel agency. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.